I think I'm the biggest kid here. My name's Sambal.
I'm Brooklyn Ball. This is Ronan Ball.
And together we are Australia by the Balls.
Morning guys, we're starting this episode off at Thornton Beach in the Daintree Rainforest. We've just gone for a nice walk along the beach and now we're ready to explore.
So to get to the Daintree, you can either come from the south or the north. We came from the south and we had to jump on the ferry to go across the Daintree River. We had to pay $60 per vehicle with the caravan on the back. If you're just taking a car, I think it's $45. The drive up is absolutely stunning. We went on the Captain Cook Highway. It's very windy, very narrow, and it's a lot of fun towing a caravan.
I think I still feel car sick from that windy road. I was not having a fun time, but Sam did an awesome job because that road is pretty hairy.
Anyway, we're here now. Let's go explore some of the Daintree.
Can't wait. For some reason our audio did not work while we were on the Madja walk, so none of our videos have us explaining what we're doing, but we did stumble across the basket of life. Now this basket fern grows on tree trunks or rocks, capturing nutrients from the above to survive. They have two distinct type of fronds. Long green erect fronds carry the spores for reproduction and photosynthesis, and short brown fronds protect the root system and collect debris, which is nutrition for the plant. So we've just finished Jindabyne boardwalk. We still haven't seen a cassowary, but we did see a poop and many of its favourite fruits. So now it's getting a bit later in the afternoon, so we're going to go up to Alexandra Lookout and see if we can spot anything up there.
Don't forget about the ice cream.
Yes, and we have to stop off and get some famous Daintree ice cream.
Yes!
We've just stopped off at the Daintree ice cream company. So they're known for their 4-scoop ice cream buckets, which are $7.50 for 4 scoops. That's 4 different flavors, so that's a pretty good deal. Today's special was mango, black sapit, I don't know if I'm saying that right, I've actually never heard of it, coconut and wattle seed. They were all absolutely delicious, 100% yummo. Their property has a huge amount of fruit trees, so we're just going to have a little walk around now and see what we can find.
Largest tree-borne fruit in the world. It can grow up to 46 kilos. It's a jackfruit.
Jackfruit. I don't think I've ever tried a jackfruit.
It's got a banana bubblegum flavour.
Ooh, stop it.
Be good in ice cream.
I found it. The black sapit. It is also known as black persimmon or chocolate pudding fruit. It's been put on this earth to make amazing ice cream.
We saw on Instagram a couple that were also here, found this awesome little swimming hole. Didn't have any signposts or anything, so we did a bit of researching and we think that we've found it. We think we found it on Google Maps, so we've just come down this track. Let's go.
Alright guys, we're back at camp now. We are staying at the Daintree Rainforest
Village. The Daintree Rainforest Village.
That's the one. You can see I've just washed my hair. The bathrooms are beautiful. They look like they've just been renovated. The property itself is absolutely amazing. Plenty to do. There's grass area for the kids. Even old Sam here had some fun on the swings. To stay here, it's cost us $50 a night for 2 adults, and then children under 12 are free, which is really handy for school holidays and traveling families, because otherwise the price just gets up there the more people you have stay on your site. So really great value for money, really great spot, and it is super busy here, so you can tell that it is a family favorite.
And it's a central location to everything as well. It's a good base.
Yeah, really good base. So we're gonna wrap this up now, guys. Let us know, Rainy, that's my hair. Let us know if you like this style of video. We've decided to do something a little bit smaller so that we can throw out 2 videos a week for you guys.
Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
And we will see you next time at Cape Tribulation. Yoo!